So hi everyone, welcome to this demo. So today we'll see how we automatically update the base image version used in some components. So what we did is we implemented a script which runs within the aicoe-ci pipeline to automatically make an update of base image versions in config files such as aicoe-ci.yaml files to the latest versions available on Quay. So the action is triggered by an action on the repository itself. So for example, when you open pull request or an issue, this will trigger a pipeline, which will open the pull request to make the update if needed. So I will show you how it works. For example, let's take the datasets repository. So it has a aicoe-ci.yaml file, and we can see here that for the build, it uses the base image, S2I Elira custom notebook in version 0.4.1. So if we take a look at Quay, we can see that the latest version is not this one, but 0.4.4. So the repo is not up to date regarding base image version. So what we'll do is that we will open dummy pull request just to see how it triggers the updates. So for example, let's make an empty commit base image. Let's put the changes. Okay, so we'll open a PR. All right. Okay. Save the PR. And now we will wait for the update to be triggered. Okay, so now we see that the trigger has worked, and now we have this pull request that is open automatically. So you can see here that it changed the base image version to latest. So this works, and now the pull request is going to be automatically approved and merged, and the image updated. So that's it, I think. Thank you.